Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning. So for today's lab activity, we will look into importing and exporting MySQL database from PHP The lab objective for today is to import database from SQL file into MySQL database and likewise to export the database from MySQL DBMS to SQL file. Importing and exporting database is very important as it allows you to export your database to a remote database server and allows your website creation to be accessible from the outside world. So likely if you do not have the ability to export your database, then your website or web application will not be able to be accessible from the outside world. Thus, this activity would teach you on how to import and export a MySQL database, as it is important to transfer your database to a remote server using these skills. So you can go to this website, tinycc/symb200 to download the sample SQL file. So you will be presented with a GitHub GIS website. Then you can download the file as a zip file and then extract it on your computer. Then you will get the SQL file. So we use this SQL file to import the database into your own PHP user interface. Okay, next, go to the Zen control panel and then click admin under MySQL. You will be forwarded to PHP user interface. So you see here, we do not have the Symbiosis database. So the first and foremost, before you import the database, we have to click new to create a new database. So creating database is easy. Just type the name of the database that you want to import. Okay, in this case, we want to import the database name as Symbiosis. And then click create. Then next, instead of creating the table, you only have to click import. And then you can seek out the database name. So you only have to go to the place where you have downloaded and extracted the database file. And then select the symbiosis.sql database file. Okay, this file is ready to be imported. Okay, next you only have to click go. And then you have to wait a while until you receive a confirmation text. So this shows that your database has been successfully created. Import has been successfully finished. 39 query has been executed. So then when you click here at the header, you get all the tables that has been exported and then imported inside your database. So you have successfully imported all the tables inside your database. So when you click here, you can get all the data. So importing SQL file is important as it allows you to import remote database values or remote database data into your own database without having you to retype back all the rows inside each of your table. So if you have to retype this back all the data, it will be very time consuming. So importing will allow you to import and copy all the data inside your database with only one click. Right, next, I'm going to show you how to export all of this data from your database. To do that, you only have to click Symbiosis, okay, the name of the database, and then go to export. Right, exporting is also important as it allows you to transfer your data or to create a backup. More importantly is to create a backup of your database into a file, which you can securely save it into a different place. Okay, like copy it to your USB drive or upload it on the server or even save it in your own email. So just type look at the command exporting table Symbiosis database and then you only have to click go. So it's as easy as that. And then your database is exported. And then you can go ahead and copy the database file and upload it on a remote server, or save it in your emails, or save it into your USB drive. Okay, rest assured, you can import back the database later if you need them. So this can also function as a backup tool. Okay, in case if you are afraid that you might lose your database, or if you think that you want to format your laptop, then you have to save your valuable data. So that's all for today's lab session. Try to do this in your own time. Okay, practice importing and exporting database. And remember to go to this website and then practice importing the database into your own laptop or your own computer. So that's all. We'll be seeing you back in the next segment.